Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class example 11 completed. Now keep reading exercise 3.1. Write down first problem in 3.1. Keep reading exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Write down first problem in 3.1. What is the problem? If p of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6, find three questions are there. First one, coefficient of x power 5. Number 2, degree of p of x. Number 3, constant term. B bit, write three more polynomials and create three questions for each of them. Okay na? So first one, see the first one solution. What is the first question? Coefficient. Coefficient means front number. Front number is known as coefficient. Degree means top number is known as degree. What is constant? Last number is known as constant. Coefficient, front number. Degree, top number. Constant, last number. So first one given p of x equal to, p means polynomial, x means variable, 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6. First question answer. What is the first question? Coefficient of x power 5. X power 5 front number is known as coefficient. X power 5 front number. Coefficient means always front number. What is the first one? Coefficient of x power 5. X power 5 front number minus 6. So coefficient of x power 5 equal to minus 6. Second one. Second one is what? Degree of p of x. Degree means top highest number. Top highest number. Degree means top highest number. What is the top highest number? Here 7, here 5, here 1, last 0. Highest 7. Degree of p of x equal to what? Degree of p of x is 7. Third one. Third one is what? Constant term. Constant term. Constant term means last one is known as constant. What is the constant term? Minus 6. Last one is what? Minus 6. What is the first question? Coefficient of x power 5. X power 5 front number minus 6. Degree of p of x. Top highest number 7. Third one constant term. Last one is known as constant minus 6. Now B bit. A bit completed. Now B bit is what? Write your own polynomials. Write three more polynomials and create three questions for each one. Your wish. Second one is B bit is write your own polynomials. Write your own polynomials and create three questions for each one. B bit, that is your wish. B bit first polynomial. P of x equal, write your own polynomial. 5x power 6 plus 3x square minus 7x plus 2. Your own polynomial. First question. Coefficient of, questions also by you only. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means x square front number. Coefficient of x square is what? 3. Second one. Degree of p of x. Degree of p of x. What is degree? Top highest number 6. Third one. Constant term. Constant term. What is the constant term? Last one. Plus 2. Next. Second polynomial. Second polynomial. P of x equal to 7x power 3 plus 2x square plus 9x minus 7. First one. Coefficient of, so write your own polynomials and create your own questions. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? 9. X front number. Second one. Second question. Degree of P of x. What is the degree of P of x? 3. Third one. Third question. Constant term. Constant term is what? Minus 7. Third one. Third polynomial. That is your wish. P of x equal to 3x power 5 plus 4x power 4 plus 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Write your own questions. First one is what? Coefficient. Coefficient of x cube. There is no x cube term. Answer is 0. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Coefficient of x cube is 0. Second one is what? First question. Second one, degree of P of x. Degree of P of x is what? Degree means top highest number, 5. Third one is constant term. What is the constant term here? 3. So like that we finish the first one. State which are the second one. 3.1 second one. State which are the following are true or false. Give reasons. Okay na? So which one is true? Which one is false? Write the reason also. If it is true, why it is true? If it is false, why it is false? Okay na? So which are the following statements are true or false? Give reason also. First question is what? The degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Second one is what? The coefficient of x square in P of x equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. Third one is what? The degree of a constant term is 0. Fourth one is what? 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. Last one is what? The degree of the polynomial is 1 more than number of terms in it. Okay na? See the first one. What is the first one solution? Read the question first. What is the question? The degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. What is degree? What I told you about degree? Degree means top highest number is known as degree. Top highest number is known as degree. But here what is given? The degree of the polynomial root 2 x square. Where is root 2? Front. Front number is not degree. Top number is degree. So the degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. True or false? What is the top number? 2. So degree is what? 2. But what is given? Root 2. Root 2 is what? Coefficient. Okay na? False. False because root 2 is coefficient. Root 2 is coefficient of x square. Root 2 is what? Coefficient of x square but not degree. So what is root 2? Coefficient of x square but not degree. Okay na? So first one is false because root 2 is what? Root 2 is coefficient but not degree. Second one is what? The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square in the polynomial P of x equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. Second one, true or false? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square in the polynomial P of x equal to 3x square 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. What is coefficient? Front number is known as coefficient. What is the front number of x square? Minus 4. What is the front number to x square? Minus 4. But here what is given? The coefficient of x square is 2. So it is true or false? False. Because coefficient of x square is minus 4. False, because coefficient of x square is minus 4. False, because coefficient of x square is minus 4. Third one. So what is the third one? What is the third one? The degree of a constant term is 0. Third question, the degree of a constant term is 0. True or false? I told you already, degree of any number is 0. In introduction I told you, degree of any number is 0. Degree of a constant term is 0. Because when we talk about degree, whenever there is variable, we talk about degree. Okay na? Constant term means variable is not there. Absence of variable. Constant term means there is no variable. Okay na? So degree of constant term is 0 because there is no variable. True. Because there is no variable. True, because there is no variable. So if there is no variable, there is no degree. Okay na? So degree of a constant term is 0. Why degree of a constant term is 0? Because there is no variable. If there is no variable, there is no degree. Okay na? Then fourth question. Fourth question is what? 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. True or false? First of all, it is a polynomial or not? Observe, first of all, it is a polynomial or not. Then we discuss about it comes under what type of polynomial. Okay na? So x is what? Variable. X is a variable. Where is variable? Lies in denominator. Where is variable? Lies in denominator. Variable lies in denominator. First is not a polynomial. Okay, remember, it is not a polynomial. So automatically it is not a quadratic polynomial. So variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. X is the variable, lies in denominator. So first of all, it is not a polynomial. Then there is no need to discuss about it is what type of polynomial. So here variable x lies in denominator. So variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. Variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. Variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. Then no need to discuss about it is what type of polynomial. First of all, it is not a polynomial because variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. So true or false? It is false. Fourth one is false because variable lies in denominator is not a polynomial. Fifth one. Fifth one is what? Last one. Fifth one. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms. The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than number of terms. So true or false? It is false because there is no relation between degree and number of terms. Degree is different from number of terms. So it is true or false? What is given? The degree of a polynomial is 1 more than number of terms. It is true or false? False because there is no relation between degree and number of terms. There is no relation between degree and number of terms, so it is false. Last one is false. In the next class, we continue the remaining exercise. Thank you, students.